welcome. Today I'm looking at this 1:18 scale Maserati 320 GT model. This model is metallic blue with white interior. The interior is pretty nicely looking. I'm going to do some photo shoot onto the interior as well when the lighting is a little bit better. This one, it doesn't come with any suspension. Okay, very minimal. The back, very minimal. But one thing I really like about this is the detail of the engine. The engine is got a lot of details on it. And it's got all the way to the bottom, which is, you can see that, very detailing. To the back, to the front. The turning circle, it is pretty good. How far can the wheel spin? Let me see. Not too bad. Pretty smooth. Okay, coming up to the detail of the wheel. The wheel is got extremely details. The detail is so good. You got logo in the middle, and you see the brake disc. Can you see the brake disc on it? A gold brake disc at the back. So the detail on that is brilliant. One thing I do love about the paintwork on this car, you see them when I'm closing up, you see the metallic pink, it actually shows very nicely. The bonnet and the roof. And I love the grille. Look at that. The grille is so highly detailed. The light, when you look closer to it, it's got, you can show you another two. Can you see the light quite clearly? And look at that. It's quite smooth when you put your hand on it. Okay. And the indicator light do come out quite nicely. Okay, now look at the back. The back is not so very plain. I guess the wheel cars were similar. The exhaust, it's not much detail. The back is quite flat. The boot, not so nice. Give you just very plastic. Inside details, I guess it's pretty good. I quite like the inside of the. Okay, now let's do some photo shoot and little video about this car. Okay, thank you again and enjoy the rest of the video. Have a great day, guys.